So now we're going to demonstrate for the removal of nasogastric tube. So the purpose of this is to provide as much comfort as possible for the patient and to prevent any complication. So for the necessary equipments that we need to use for the removal, we need tissue, a 10 ml syringe as optional, stethoscope, additional PPE as indicated, a non-sterile gloves, a non-disposable plastic bags, a normal saline solution as an optional for irrigation, and then we also need for a message basin. So after that, we're going to assess for the abdomen by inspecting for presence of distension, auscultating of the bowel sounds, and palpating for firmness and tenderness. So also we're going to assess for the output of the NG tube, which we're going to note for the amount, color, and consistency. So moving on to the procedure, so first thing we need to do is to check for the medical order, which we're going to ensure that the right client receives the right implementation upon removing the NG tube. So as we verified here, okay, so now we're going to identify for the client's name and birthday for two identificators, and then explain the procedure. So, good day, sir. I'm Aldemidi Spiritu, student nurse from Maslayan University, Philippines. So may I know your name and birthday po? Okay. So, I'm here po in order to remove your nasogastric tube as per the doctor's order. So, a simple reminder po, or for your information, it is a quick removal po, and you will feel a slight discomfort po upon removal. So, do you have any question po regarding to the procedure that we were going to do? Okay. So, as we gathered all the necessary materials, so we're going to close the curtains in order to provide the client's privacy. And then we're going to raise the bed in order to have a comfortable working position. And then we're going to place the client in a high Fowler's position, or elevate the head for 30 to 45 degrees, which is to maintain the upright position and to prevent any bronchial intubation aspiration as the client's blow nose or needs to vomit. So now after that, we're going to drape a disposable pad on the chest, and then we're going to give to the client the message bin and tissue. So ma'am, can we slight elevate your head po? Okay. 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 So now we're going to drape po. I will place it here. So after that, we're going now to assess the client. Okay. So ma'am, I'm going to use this stethoscope to check for your okay. So now, upon the assessment, we're going to wear a PPE as indicated and non-sterile gloves. So now we're going to put a gloves and remove for some mesh tape that has in checks and nose of the client. So, we're going to remove it carefully. So, tanggalin ko na po. Okay. We're going to remove to put it on the disposable plastic bag. Okay. So now, after removing all the tape, so we're going to attach a 10 ml syringe to flush a water. So now we're going to kink first. So now, upon the removal, so we're going to instruct the client. We're going to instruct the client to hold his breath for a few seconds, and we're going to remove the tube surely and with carefully. So ma'am, I will remove this nasogastric tube, and then we're going to hold your breath for a few seconds. So are you ready po? So ma'am, I'm going to pull na po. 1, 2, 3, hold your breath. And then we're going to place here and remove the disposable gloves and do hand grab. Then we're going to give the client an MSS basin to blow the nose. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So after that, we were going to check for the client's feeling. So how are you, ma'am, too? Upon the removal, are you okay? Do you want to blow your nose again? Okay. So now, after the removal of the tube, so we're going to put it on the disposable bag and as well as the non-sterile gloves. So after the removal, so we're going to put other gloves and to check for the nasogastric drainage secretion, and we're going to record for the amount of it as per the agency policy. So after that, we're going now to remove all the used materials, and we're going now to lower the bed and then we're going to place the client in a comfortable position. So ma'am, you can now lay down. Okay po. Yes po. So if you have any question, concern, you can call me on the nurses station po. Okay, so now after that, after removing all the unnecessary materials here in working place, so we're going to lower off the side rails, and in order to secure the client to prevent any fall, And then we're going now to document and record all the procedure done. And that would be all for the removal of nasogastric tube.